Hi guys, today we are going to be making a pair of wood earrings. So the very first thing I want to do is pick out the style of blanks that I want. And I just went with a basic oval shape. And I am going to be using a Silkscreen today. So what I ended up doing was I picked out all the like really fun, bright colors. So I went with the pink, purple, ocean blue, and white pearl. And then of course, I love glitter. So we're going to be adding some glitter. And we really want to kind of like blend this and make this look really, really nice. So I'm just going to go right out of the lids to start. And get whatever brush you have. It doesn't really matter. And I'm just going to kind of pound down on my blank here. And I want to go in different areas. I don't want these to be exactly the same. And then let me add a little bit of my white. And then see, I can start blending those colors together. And then we'll do the pink. And I'm going to put that one off to the side right now, and then I'm going to get a different one for my blue. There we go. So once you're happy with it, let it dry completely, and then do the same thing on the other side. I'm going to add a little bit more pink right here. And then a little bit of white as well. Oops. All right, so I'm happy with that. I'm going to let that dry. And then I will do the other side and we'll come back and I'll show you how to do these. Very, very easy. This is a great, fantastic project that you can do. And it'll be a quick gift for somebody. There's so many things you could do with this and a simple silk screen. All right, my pieces are completely dry. And you can see how beautiful that sparkle looks. So one side will have the sparkle, one side will not. And what we're going to do next is grab our silk screen. And then we're just going to lay these right on top and really kind of press them in. Because I have the glitter on top, it's not going to be as smooth as it should be. So you really want to kind of burnish it a bit on there, I guess you could say. And we'll do the same thing with this one. Now the other side will go a lot smoother for the simple fact that it's more flat. But with the glitter, it makes it a little bit bumpy, I guess you could say. But it'll still work out well. Okay. Now I'm going to take a little bit of my white acrylic paint. And then I'm going to have a dabber here. And then I'm just going to dab. All right, let me just make sure I got a good coat on this. And then I'm going to carefully lift this up. Oh, that looks so cute. Ah, come on. There we go. I hope you can see how those bubbles look there. I mean, how cute is that? So I'm going to rinse this out right away. If you do not rinse out a silkscreen right away or soak it in water, all those little fine nets in there, or material, however you want to say it, fibers, they'll get clogged with the paint and you won't be able to use it again. So make sure that you go rinse that out. All right, so these are dry now, and I want to show you. Look how cute they look. So now I'm going to show you what it looks like black. So you have the white, and you can see all those beautiful sparkles with the glitter. And then I'm going to show you without glitter. So let me get my Silkscreen. Get that on. And you want to make sure your piece is dry before you do this. This way you're not ruining the other side. And then I'm going to get a little bit of my black paint, and I'm just going to use the same sponge. It might be a little like turn into like a gray color, but I'm okay with that. All right, now lift that up. And these ones you will definitely see much better. Can you see? Look how much better it looks with the black. I mean, beautiful. The white looks good, but the black is going to be much nicer because it's smoother and it's darker so you can see it better. There we go. Look at that. Isn't that not fun? I love this piece. So let me go rinse this out. Right. So now I'll let these dry. And one of the things you could do, if you want it to be nice and crisp like this, you can actually put your glitter on afterwards, just in the bigger bubbles if you want. So you can also put resin on there to make them pop out a little bit more. There's so many cool things that you could do with this particular thing. And I just love blending all the colors together. And then having the bubbles just look so pretty. But I really like the sparkle. Unfortunately, because the glitter was on there, it didn't lay very flat like it did with this. But it's still beautiful. And I think what I will do next time is, like I said, put the glitter on afterwards. Like just put it in the little bubble areas. And I think it'll go much, much smoother. So I hope I was able to show you something new. If you don't know how to put your findings on, check out my other wood earrings because I show you every step. I will end up finishing my edges off and cleaning everything up real nice. But please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you all next time. Bye!